Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a little fall kit that I got. If you've been following my channel, you may have heard me talk about I cannot find my fall crafting stash anywhere. Um, I can't imagine that I put it somewhere different than with all my other crafting stuff. I have all my Halloween, but I just, for the life of me, I can't find my fall stuff, and I keep looking in every crevice and every corner. So I'm just hoping some crafter came in and took the fall stash. I don't know, because it makes me feel crazy. But anyway, so I ordered this fall collection kit. It's called Welcome Fall. I ordered it on Amazon because I had a gift card. So I think I paid $2 for this. But I thought we'd go through it. That way I can see and you can see. And I just, I guess I bought my fall stuff one at a time. So here I go again, one at a time, buying fall stuff. So, anyways, this one's called Welcome Fall. I did not have this kit. I didn't want to buy one. This is by Corte Maria too. I didn't want to buy one that I have, because if I do for some reason find my fall crafting stuff, then I don't want to have a duplicate. But I will say that Corte Maria has some of the best cardstock. It is so thick. And this is by Corte Maria. It's Welcome Fall. So you have this floral, and then you have like a reddish brown. Of course, we have all the cut-aparts, which I love. I love this right here too. And then the other side just has like little wood chips and leaves. Here we have some leaves and acorns. And then this plaid, it's like an orange plaid. Here we have another plaid. And then a green. Here we have some 4x6 cut-aparts. And another plaid. Here we have some leaves and acorns. And an orange check. Here we have some little fall signs. Harvest blessings, hello fall, autumn leaves, and bonfires, yes please. Fall is my season. I used to not like fall. I like it more now that I'm in California. Before, when I was in Indiana, of course, it just meant that the weather was going to get dreary, and it was going to be like that for the next 6 months, which I have seasonal affective disorder, where the season, when it's dreary like that for 6 months, really affects my depression and anxiety. So coming to California, where it's fall, but it's still sunny every day, is nice. And I just see it as, it doesn't get too awful cold in California. You may get down to the upper 40s and the 50s in the fall and winter, but I can handle that because it is sunny and crisp every morning. Then we have this like mustard yellow, and another orange plaid. Here we have some little wooden flower containers with the mums in them, and then a green plaid. Here we have some more cut-aparts. I love cut-aparts. They're so good to make cards with and such. You can use them as ephemera, cut them apart. You can fussy cut them. Here we have some apples and leaves. Here we have some more little cut-aparts. It might be a little bit harder to cut these apart, but I will totally cut them apart because I have no fall stash, and I will use them. And then we have this like red, dark brownish red. Then we have some wheat, and on the back we have this mustard yellow plaid. And then of course you get your sticker sheet, which I love the truck. This is my favorite, I think, with the little chair or the little settee. Fall is made with pumpkin spice and everything nice. Here's your little tier tray. I haven't bought into the tier tray yet, but I'm thinking I might have to. So yeah, I would say summer is definitely my favorite. I don't mind the hot days here in California, but fall is definitely a close second. So that is the little kit that I got to begin starting my fall stash again. And I'm glad I got this one because the paper is such good quality. But yeah, so that is my little video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in this kit, you can get it on Amazon. I think it's $15.99 right now. I think I had a $15 gift card, so I paid like $2 or $3 for the tax. But I am an Amazon affiliate, and if you order it, please order it through the link down below in the description so that I get a little bit of commission for your order. But like I said, definitely Corte Maria has the best paper as far as these kits go. But that is my video, and here's to hoping that I find my fall stash. I don't know where else it could be. We have gone through our craft cabinets. We've gone through the craft closet. I don't know. I'm just, I'm torn up about it. But now I have my first fall kit, so I can do a little fall crafting. So, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.